So, right, we got a little bit of a wick out here now. I personally would prefer sells. We've been going up for the past 2 days, like mad, you get me? Jeez. Right? Yesterday, Monday was brazy upwards, bullish. Yesterday was a short, but it continued overnight. Oh my god. Right.
Order filled.
I fucking completely missed all that. Woo! See what happens, boys. Bit of a risky one, this. 15 for me just chills me out a little bit. Just check the 15. It's kind of, do you know what I mean? It's one of them. We're just being pushed all the way down, boys. You are joking. No way. Shit's bouncing.
Order filled.
Right, well, we lost that shit, didn't we?
Order filled.
Right, where I'm selling off, boys, is I'm basically selling based off of this level here. I also was anticipating shorts. Again, boys, me journaling like I do. This is how I journal. I do the YouTube shit. This complete FOMO. As I'm there talking about anticipation, I'm anticipating shorts, and I got in on this, and it didn't even break the line I just told you about. This was just an unnecessary call for trade. Shit! Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on? What's going on? The fuck's going on? What's going on? Yeah, it's creating wicks here.
Order filled.
I'm out, man, I'm out. You see, another day, another reminder, boys. Another day I've just been reminding me to set my fucking stop loss. Because I've not set my stop loss today, and I've lost a little bit more than I should have. I've lost $200 more than I should. I allowed myself to lose 500 a trade and 1,000 a day max. Losing 1.2k is almost, I mean, that extra 200 is also, it's like half of another loss. And with funded accounts, you've got to be so strict. Hence why it's so hard to pass and stay consistent. But what I've just done to combat taking the L's like I've done today, right? I should have only lost 1,000. I know a lot of you are going to it's only $187, but it adds up. It adds the fuck up, right? $500 is going to be my max limit per trade. I've limited myself to 2 trades per day. And if I lose more than $1,000, I'm completely liquidated from my account and can no longer trade for the day. And this right here is how I'm going to remove any human emotion and just trade like a robot using Top Step. So that's it. Simple. Come on. So look, boys, this is how the week is looking so far this week. London, Monday, break even. Tuesday, 2 hour up. Today, I didn't trade. Monday, 3 hour up, $1,500 trade. We made 500. We lost the first entry, won the second, 1 hour up. Today, we just took 2 losses. But it's all good. It is all fucking good in the hood because we got another $1,000 in the tank. I mean, if we're risking $500, this is when in the past I've gone, oh shit, I'm going to blow my accounts. Right now, I'm trying to be in the discipline of, doesn't matter. If I blow the accounts, just stick to the plan. $500 risk on an evaluation. Once past the evaluation, I'll be halving the risk, going down to $250. Allow myself only $500 risk. So once past, understand that it would take me 4 days of taking 2 entries a day for 4 days in a row, which would be 8 trades to blow the account. So whilst I'm in the evaluation stage, I treat them like a sluzzer, a Bonnie Blue, like I told you the other day. And if I blow them, I blow them. It is what it is. But yeah, this is the week so far. This has helped me so much. So fucking much. Here's my room. Fucking shitter. I don't know why, but I feel like just showing you where I fucking sleep and that. Here's my room. Here's my bed. This is where I fucking slap cheeks. No, I'm joking, but this is the room. I usually make my bed, but I was testing out this electric blanket that my girlfriend's fucking mum got me. But yeah, that's a boiler. Yep, I'm what? But yeah, come on the base. Another day, another dollar. Thanksgiving tomorrow, so I will not be trading. If you're not ready, sub the fuck up. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Come on. Also, yo, with me not trading tomorrow, give me some ideas and topics to talk about in the comments below, and I'll do a video on them. You know what I'm saying? Come.